Hello, 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 hello. Yes, hi guys. This is Mwagalwa, and we continue with our PHP programming. Uh, by doing PHP, I think you guys are familiar with at least some basic HTML because we shall be doing PHP and HTML at the same time. So we shall start our XAMPP as usual, just like the way we do it. Then we shall start our Apache. Then start our MySQL. Then we shall start our Sublime text. Yeah, so remember the folder that we had created earlier, the project folder which we created in local disk C, the folder called XAMPP, htdocs. Then we created a folder called project1. In that folder we had created a file called index.php. Just to be sure, let me delete this file and we create it again. You click on file, you click on open folder, you choose the directory where the folder is, XAMPP, local disk C, XAMPP, then htdocs, then project1 is the folder, then we open. So when we open, right now it's showing that the folder is actually empty. So I'll click on file, then I'll select new file. I press Ctrl plus S, or I click on file, then save as. Then I create a file called index.php. Then I'll save the file. So since I had already started my XAMPP, I started my Apache, I'll be able to call this file online via a browser. So I'll start my Firefox. So as I wait for my Firefox to start, as I told you earlier, we shall be using HTML2. So we shall actually HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's actually a markup language. So we shall be using it too, and in future we shall create things like forms and all that. I think if you're familiar with HTML, you've seen that. If you're not familiar, you can go do some research on the basics of HTML, basic HTML, how HTML files look like, and all that. Starting Firefox. Let's wait for Firefox to start. We can start writing our HTML. Head. Inside head we shall put title. Then inside title we shall put welcome to project 1. Then we open body. Then we close our HTML. Basically this is like the framework, the frame of HTML. Then we close our HTML. So when we save this and call for localhost /project1, press enter, sorry, yeah, it will bring welcome to project, just because I put this in the head tags. This is the title, welcome to project 1. So basically I'll be putting all my PHP files anywhere you feel like. So today I'll start by opening the PHP tag, then closing it. Yeah, you remember the single line comments? So today we shall create variables. Yeah, so in PHP, basically when you're creating a variable, you'll use a $sign, then you name the variable you want to create. For example, variable first name, let's say first name, that's a variable created already, equals we can maybe put any name, mark, goes to mark, then we terminate, then we open another variable, last name, James. So basically these are variables that are containing like this string, like text, they're containing this text. So we can always just echo out the variable. For example, echo out, you remember to always include the $sign and save. So when we refresh, you'll discover that it's equaling mark, because we've called out for the first name. So there is also equaling, if we echo the last name, it will bring out the last name after refreshing. So what if someone wants to write like something like hi Mark, hi so and so? We do what they call concatenation. We concatenate like the hi and the name. For example, we shall open our quotes and put hello, then we shall use a dot, then refresh the product. You see, hello James. Since we want a space, we can even put a space here, or we can also concatenate a space though. So it's hello James. You see, you'll discover that you normally see this like on different social media platforms where they normally welcome you. Maybe they be like, hi James, hi Mark, hi so and so. So this is called concatenation. So we can also actually create variables of like numbers. For example, we can create variable, select variable a equal to maybe number 1, then we can let variable b equal to We can have number 1 and number 2, or even we can have, maybe let's see, equals to 3. Then we shall create a variable d and equal to then d equals to variable a plus variable b plus then c. You should always remember to terminate. So we shall echo out our variable. Shall echo out our variable d. Let's first comment this out so that then we put some text here. Our answer is, then we refresh. So you see our answer is C, is 6. Our answer is 6 because it's summing up, it's summing 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equals to 6. So basically this is how everything works. So today we've learned about variables and how to concatenate. This is what they call concatenating, like adding a text to a variable. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. God bless you.